Today we're reviewing this product, Chemical Guys Watermelon Scented Snow Foam and Rinse. This is pH balanced to be safe for all your paint, all your waxes, all your sealants, your ceramic coating, your vinyl wrap, your wheels, your tires. It's a very non-harsh cleaning agent. Does a decent job, at least it should. The SDS forms. The soap's the same as all the others, like your grape, your Mr. Suds, your Mr. Pink, except for the scent, right? So it's supposed to be watermelon. Let's crack it open, see how it smells. It smells like Dawn detergent. Doesn't smell like watermelon at all, but then again, does a watermelon smell like a watermelon? I mean, it's chicken. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna go and spray the old Ford F-150. Right now it has no sealant wax on it. It has a bunch of pollen because it's super windy. Sorry if the wind is affecting the microphone, I apologize. So this is what we're gonna be testing. We're gonna be using today we're using our $20 foam cannon off Amazon. This one has a clear bottle. I did a review on it recently, 2 videos back, I believe. Check it out if you want to see it. Just moving forward, the only issue with this foam cannon I'm having is it can get vapor locked. So if you run the bottle dry and you suck in air, you're gonna vapor lock this and it's a bitch to get off. But guys, let's get this filled up with soap. Gonna fill it up with 2 to 4 ounces of soap with some regular water. We'll mix it up and then we'll spray the car. One tip I got for you guys, before you put the soap in, fill it with water. And once it's filled with water, go and dump the soap in just like that. We'll just do a little bit more. I don't measure, I'm not a chef. So here we go, we got it in there. We'll cap it off and then we'll whirl it around a little bit. You can put the soap in first, but when you fill it with water, it tends to build a big soap head on it and you can never get it full of water. So that's a little tip. All right, guys, let's give it a little bit of a swirl to get the soap mixed up. On the directions, Chemical Guy says to use warm water. I've honestly used warm, hot, cold. Doesn't make the foam any thicker. So, but that's entirely up to you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and spray the car with the Watermelon Snow Foam from Chemical Guys. This has already been adjusted, so let's see how thick it gets. Hey guys, just get a close up here. So the suds go on like shaving cream, but it breaks down pretty fast and becomes just, I don't know, not even a shaving cream texture, but it does stick to the car well as it breaks down the dirt like it should. Looking here in the soap pile, it's kind of dark. I don't see a lot of dirt coming off the car, but then again, I don't have a filthy car, like I didn't go out mudding or nothing. Here's the wheel. As you can see, it went on like shaving cream, but broke down pretty fast just to a wet, runny substance. Go ahead and here's the back. Here's the rear wheel. As you can see it dripping. There you can see it pretty good, but then again, I put it on super thick. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get this car rinsed off. All right guys, well that was my review on the Watermelon Scented Chemical Guys Snow Foam. What do I think about it? I think that you're better off buying Mr. Pink. I think the smell is like mediocre to 0. Foam was okay. I mean, I've seen better with Sticky Snowball, Mr. Suds, you know, Mr. Pink. So watermelon, if you want to use it, great. If it's on sale, half off, buy it. Would I buy it for full price? No, I will use it because I have it when I wash the cars. But as for being like super impressed with the smell like the cherry suds, not at all. I don't smell anything but like Dawn dish soap with this product. As always guys, that was my review. Take it as you will. It's my opinion on the product. Moving forward, I'm gonna make these videos as short as I can, under 3 or 4 or 5 minutes if possible. Just getting right to the point. Kind of like it either works or it doesn't, and that's all you guys want to know. You don't need to know how to use it. There's instructions on the back. So as always, I appreciate you watching. If you want to see more content, subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications. And as always guys, keep on detailing your cars. Got to keep those wheels and paint fresh. So I'll see you in the next video.